Just finished running the baseline on this BMW M3 F80 where we're testing our VR Performance stainless exhaust. So right now we've got a completely stock car. We did 3 tests. You can see here how these engines really do heat soak. Arizona, I think we're about 100 degrees Fahrenheit right now. Humid, had a storm last night, and 91 octane. Our very first run, we actually missed the RPM cutout. We're right about 350 horsepower. Our second run, you can see the closer we get to the dotted line, we drop further, 325 horsepower. And then finally, our last baseline run, the solid line here. This is, looks like it's about 300 horsepower at between 325 and 290. So that is a very common thing to see whenever we dyno these M3s is the heat soak. Perfect way to get rid of this. Better intercooler, downpipes, keep that airflow going, and these cars start to really perform. So car's done here doing the baseline. We're now going to take it over and get our VR Performance exhaust installed. Just finished doing the VR Performance titanium exhaust after dyno, and we've got some good results to show you. Now, the catback exhaust definitely is going to improve the sound. As you heard, this thing is amazing. But what does it look like on the dyno? So we've got some good gains where the turbo spools up and is in a peak part of the power band. Got about 20 horsepower gain, right around 5,500 RPMs. Very nice. But just so you can see, doing a catback exhaust is not the end all be all. Even though it's a great upgrade, if you want to take it one step further, for example, let me show you this. Here's what the difference is by doing a full race downpipe and tune. You can see there's a significant gain in torque and horsepower. So VR Performance, a great starter upgrade to get some awesome sound out of the M3, M4. So that's a good starting point, but then you want to go for those downpipes, ECU flash, and even an intercooler.